Hey everyone, today I'm going to be walking you through the steps of how to connect a chatbot to your DLive account. And for the purposes of today's video, I'm going to be using Botisimo because it is my personal favorite chatbot. But if you're looking to do this with any other bot, the process is going to be very similar. Anyways, the first step is going to be to go ahead and click the sign up button and create our account. So you'll just go ahead and enter all your account details here, and once you're done, click the continue button. Then Botisimo is going to ask us to choose the platforms that we'd like to connect, and obviously for today's video I'm going to select the DLive platform and then once again hit the continue button. Then you'll need to just go ahead and double check that everything on this screen is correct, and once you're sure, click the confirm button. And just like that, my new Botisimo account is all set up and ready to go. Now if it wasn't obvious enough, the next thing we're going to go ahead and do is click on the connect with DLive button in the center of the screen. This will bring us to a page over on DLive where it's going to tell us what permissions we are authorizing Botisimo access to on our DLive account. So if you want to go through and look at each individual permission that Botisimo is going to have on your account, you can do that here, but basically this is just going to give it access to the things it needs in order to do all the cool features that the bot can do. So once you're comfortable with all these things, you're going to go ahead and just click the authorize button to get it set up. And now the connection between our Botisimo account and our DLive account has been established, but we're not done yet because as you can see here, Botisimo must be a moderator in your channel for all features to work. So we now need to head over to DLive, go over to my channel, and then in the chat down here, I'm going to simply type /mod Botisimo and hit the enter button. And just like that, everything should now be set up and ready to go. So we can head back over to the Botisimo website here, go over to our commands tab, add in any custom commands we want, and anything else you'd like to do with the bot now. And that's all for now. So hopefully this video was fairly straightforward and helpful to you guys, but as always, if you have any questions about the process, please feel free to leave those down in the comment section below.